guys, and welcome back to my YouTube space. It's Lara. Today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys a review and an unboxing one of Winky Lux's beauty products. If you guys haven't heard of Winky Lux, it's a really cute aesthetic brand. They sell it at Target and they're all about natural vegan makeup. And the products that I ordered, which I'm gonna unbox for you guys today, the products that I ordered are lip stains, and I actually have the description pulled up right here. So let's just get into this video and into the review. So this says that this is their best-selling lip balm, and it's a vegan lip stain that naturally applies clear, then reacts with your skin's natural pH levels that blossoms into the perfectly unique U shade of pink every time. So it says that this lip balm has pH matching technology. It adjusts to your skin's most flattering pink, and yeah, it's just all vegan. So I have my tweezers. Let's get ready to unbox this product. I'm so excited. So I already did my makeup. I have just foundation and concealer, just like really light amount, because this is like a very natural lip stain. Look at the box. That's so pretty. Oh my God. It says, but first makeup. Oh my God, that's so cute. So this is what the packaging looks like right here. The box is like so cute and aesthetic. Like I'm literally gonna keep this box. So this right here is the product. It comes in like pink wrapping paper. Oh, I also got a free product. This is the Winky Lux Tinted Moisturizer SPF 30. This is so cute and tiny. Okay, so I ordered two. One is for my sister. It's a surprise for her birthday. And I got this for myself. This is the Winky Lux Confetti Balm. This is what it looks like right here in the packaging. This is the box. This is so cute. I'm so excited to try this because if you guys have been watching my channel, or if you've seen any makeup tutorial that I've really done, you guys know that I love natural makeup. You guys know that I don't like wearing like a ton of makeup on my face, like a really full face beat. Sometimes I'm in the mood for that, but most of the time I'm really not. Like today, I have literally the lightest layer of a tinted moisturizer foundation and like one dot of concealer under my eyes. So my natural face is supposed to match perfectly with this natural lip balm. Also, can we talk about like how dewy and hydrated my skin looks? If you guys want your skin to look like mine, if you have oily combination skin or even dry skin, go buy the Clinique Even Better Makeup Broad Spectrum. This is their foundation. It has SPF 15, and the purpose of this is to even out your skin tone and correct it. I know that we're getting a little bit off topic here, but seriously, if you guys are in the market for like a really nice foundation to make your skin look like mine, it has like a lot of natural qualities. Like you can still see like my blemishes, but overall my skin looks perfect. Getting back into the review, I'm about to open it up. Is this not the cutest thing that you've ever seen in your life? It looks like a little bullet, and let's twist it. Do you guys see that? This is everything. Can you talk about how pretty that is? So there's actual confetti in here. Let me smell it. Okay. This smells like cookies, like warm cookies, but like a cookie cupcake, if that makes any sense. It's very sweet and very warm smell. Can't speak today. So I'm just gonna hop in a little bit closer so you guys can see me apply this. Hello, can we talk about how freaking cute this is? Okay, let's apply it to my lips. It's supposed to apply clear, and then it's supposed to react to my skin's pH and to give me my most natural shade of pink. So let's try it out. So this is what it looks like applied on my lips right now. I'm just gonna put a little bit more because I love the way that this feels on my lips. It applies so soft. It also applies really clear. I'm just gonna put it back. Can we just take a look at my lips? You guys. Even far away, like my lips look so, wow. Winky Lux kind of did it to them right here. My lips right now, you guys, look so juicy. My lips, I feel like, I didn't even think that this was gonna be what my natural color looked like, first of all, but you can tell that my lips have like a really nice gloss to it, like a nice shine. It looks really juicy, but it doesn't feel glossy on my lips. Like it feels very hydrating. It feels very moisturizing. Feels better than Aquaphor. It feels better than my vegan first aid salve that I put on my lips every single day. This feels incredible, and it was $16, so you know, it's a little bit pricey for a lip balm, but for what it does, the pH technology that's in it and the way that it just like naturally made my lips look so pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit more, see what it looks like if I apply a lot. And again, this confetti is killing me. I freaking love it. I might get like 10 more of these. So yeah, that's it reapplied on my lips. This is what my lips look like. It looks like I just sucked on a bunch of strawberries. Yeah, my lips look so nice, and I love the way that this feels. Like, it does not feel heavy, it doesn't feel goopy, it feels nice, moisturizing. Like, it doesn't feel thin or thick, not to mention the way that it's making my skin look. My lips look so pretty, and this does look very natural. This looks so natural. I'm really happy with the way that this review turned out, you guys. I'm so happy, and I hope my sister is gonna like hers because I have the watermelon jelly right here. This is for my sister, so I'll let you guys know if she ends up liking this too. This one's supposed to have like a watermelon theme to it. Maybe it's gonna smell like watermelon, I don't know, but this smells like freaking cookies, so I freaking love it. Not to mention it's so pretty. So yeah, you guys, again, this was $16, so if you guys are, you know, a makeup lover, or if you guys are like collectors of makeup or anything like that, or you just love trying out new things, this gets a thumbs up in my book. I am so obsessed with it. It's so cute. First of all, I'm gonna have this in my purse every single day. Yeah, and it's really natural. So it's like if someone comes up to you and they're like, oh my god, your lips are so pretty, what do you have on them? You can literally lie and be like, nothing. This is what I naturally look like. But no, don't lie, put them on. This was like so amazing, so amazing. I'm so happy that I bought this. So yeah, Winky Lux, you kind of did it to them here, okay? They also have like a bunch more of these, you guys. The Confetti Balm is just one of many. They have ones with actual chrysanthemum flowers inside of the tubes. They have a watermelon one. They have this confetti one. They have different colored flower ones. Oh my god, they have so many varieties. So definitely, if you guys are interested in this, if you guys like the way it looks on me, go purchase one for yourself. Test out that hype yourself. I guarantee you that you are going to absolutely fall in love with this lip product. So yeah, you guys, that is it for me. I really don't have anything left to say to you guys. I will catch you later in my next video.